Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today's video is a little different video. I am not creating any of the looks. In fact, today's video is a haul. Yes, I'm gonna show you all the products. Yeah! Oh my god, this is the bag which is full of my new purchases and I'm going to show you what all did I buy. My first purchase is this one. This is the Bioderma Micellar Water. I love this product. I've been using the pink one. You must have seen me using that very often. That's great for sensitive skin. That's great for my clients. But why did I buy this one? Because with constant use of that pink one on my skin, I found out that that was drying my skin a little bit. So this one is meant for dry skin and is more hydrating. So I'm going to try my hands on this one now. I also bought these Huda Beauty Fox Filter Skin Finish Stick. I've been using the liquid foundation for my clients, but this time I wanted to try my hands on this one. That one was not available. The Sephora people told me that probably it is not in stock or they are discontinuing it. They were not very sure, but they have not discontinued it. In fact, they've come up with a new version in the Fox Filter foundation, which is the luminous version, which I'm so excited to try. But I got my hands on these sticks and let's see how are they. That's how the stick looks like. Very chic, very classy packaging, and I bought it in 3 colors: cream brulee, amaretti, and toffee. This one is amaretti, and let's see how is it. Oh, this also looks like full coverage. Wow, it blends so well. But this is not exactly the shade, as I use amaretti in the liquid foundation and that shade goes well on me, but this one looks a little bit darker, so I think there's a difference in the shades, but I think it's going to work pretty well. I also bought 2 of these Makeup Forever matte velvet skin full coverage concealers, and I've heard that they are really nice. They perform very well and they blend very easily. The colors that I picked up are 3.2 and 4.1. You all know how much I love BB creams. Yes, for my daily use, I don't prefer wearing foundations. I love BB creams. So far I've loved Kiehl's, but this time I wanted to try my hands on the Shiseido, and this is a BB Perfect Hydrating Cream, and I'm sure this is going to work pretty well. Let's not keep high hopes. I love the packaging. It's so classy. Wow. I told you it's going to perform well. So far it looks good, but I'm going to wear it, and this looks a little on the neutral side. And yes, I am neutral. I am not on the warm side, I'm not on the cold side, and I think this is going to work pretty well for me. I'm going to wear it and let you know how does this perform. I even got this Becca Ignite highlighter, and this one is in the shade Passion. I've heard great reviews about this product. Becca is anyways a great brand. I love their luminous foundations, I love their highlighters, I love their bronzers, and now it's the liquid highlighter. It's so beautiful. Pump it here. Ooh, can you see how beautiful it is? It looks so nice. Wow. I'm gonna apply it on skin first and then put my foundation. I can even mix it with my foundation, or else let's see if it works on top of foundation or not. My next 3 purchases are definitely the eyeshadow palettes. I can't live without eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm hooked on them, and any new palette that comes in the market I really want to try my hands on. These palettes are definitely not very new in the market, but I did not buy them when they were introduced, so I really wanted to try my hands on them. The first one is this one, which is the Natasha Denona Gold palette. Can you see how beautiful the packaging is? Natasha has never disappointed us. Wow, look at the colors. I'm sure that this palette is going to be my best companion when I'm going to do my brows. Yes, this has the perfect colors, perfect different tones of golds in it, and I know I'm going to use it quite often on my brides. The next palette is the Ambrosi palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh. I just love the fact that all the Anastasia palettes come in the same size. So when you put them in a drawer, all of them they just fit perfectly. Look at the colors of this palette. Oh my god. They are so beautiful. So many metallic glittery colors and so many mattes. Such a beautiful palette. Let me be very honest with you. What made me buy this palette is this color. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I know you should never buy a palette just because of one color, but I can't help myself. I am like that. The last palette is this palette from Pat McGrath, and this is their Celestial Divinity palette. That's how it looks like. And when this palette was couriered to me, I bought all this stuff when I was in Canada, and nothing is open, everything is closed due to COVID. So I had to order everything online. This was all the stuff that was shipped to me, and when this was shipped, all I found was this color broken. And my heart was broken. But anyways, I fixed this color, and all the colors in the palette are so beautiful. I think it's all worth it, and I love the palette. I also picked this teeny mini pack from Pat McGrath, and this is their mini lip trio, and they have these 3 amazing colors. I really want to show you these colors. Let me open the packaging. Oh my god, such pretty lipsticks. I'm gonna show you the colors. This one is Executive Realness. Wow. Can you see the pigment? I have heard such great reviews about the Pat McGrath lipsticks. I know they are a little pricey, but they are worth every single penny. Can you see just one swatch is so high in pigment? It looks beautiful. The next color is Elson 2. Ooh! It's so beautiful. Wow. I love it. And then the last color is Soft Core. I think this is going to be my favorite. Oh my god, I love this. They are so cute. I love the packaging, and the swatches are insane. Now that completes the makeup part, and I bought few of my skincare products as well. I do regret that I'm not carrying all the skincare products with me here, but all that I have here, I really want to show it to you. The first one is this one, which is the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. Heard great reviews about this. I have tried this. I have loved this. My previous bottle is about to get over, so I have got the next one for me. The next product is from Huda Beauty. It's from her Wishful range, and I have got their Get Even Rose Oil. I have tried their scrub. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's not too hard on your skin, and you can very well use it twice a week. But this one I wanted to try my hands. You know, I'm a hoarder when it comes to skin oils, and I wanted to try this one because this works on your uneven skin tone, and I wanted to try it, so I got it. The last but not the least, when I was there, I got notifications from Sephora that they are going to launch what? JLo Beauty. And how can you leave JLo Beauty when you are into makeup? Everybody knows her skin is so beautiful. So I bought her skincare range, and I'm going to try this one definitely. This one is that JLo Glow, and this is their multitasking serum. I want to show you the product. Wow, look at the packaging. It's just as beautiful as Jennifer Lopez, isn't it? I love it. Look at this. I really want to try this. Doesn't smell that good, but I'm sure it's going to perform well. Obviously very, very moisturizing. Penetrated into my skin pretty fast. I'm going to try this skincare and let you know how is this JLo Glow. I also bought this one. This is the complexion booster. It is that star filter. This is one of the products that comes in 3 different colors, and I bought this one. I don't know what color is it. Yeah, this is pink champagne. I bought this color. Wow. It's like this. It's like a highlighter, but when I saw the commercial in which Jennifer was introducing her products, this is what she has applied on the apples of her cheeks and all the high points of her face, and she left it for some time, and it's like, you know, this just gives a luminous and a natural radiant look to your skin. So I'm going to try my hands on this as well and see how natural it looks. I even got my hands on this JLo Beauty. It is a multitasking mask which helps to tighten, plump and radiate. I wanted to order a pack of 3 because that was something which was a more sensible purchase. You have to pay less and you get more, but I could not get it as the moment the stock was introduced, everything went out of stock. So I just got this one. I'm going to try this one out, and I'm super excited to try this. And let's see. It's the best mask I've ever used. It's saturated with 1 ounce of my glow serum for instant tightening, hydration and ageless radiance. I hope we'll get that JLo glow once we'll start using her products. I'm super excited to try her range. And the last product that I bought is this one from Fenty Beauty. This is their highlighter brush, and I wanted my hands on this. I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight brush, and I've noticed that after some time that brush goes out of shape. So I wanted a good brush. This is how it looks like, and it fits so well on your cheekbone area, perfect for highlighting. I haven't tried it as yet, but I am super excited to try this brush. So that was all that I purchased from Canada. This was my latest purchase, and when I was talking about certain products in my stories, I got so many DMs that you guys want to know what all did I buy. So this is what I bought a little more, but there are a few products that I could not, or I didn't bring here, They are still lying down there, but this is what all I have bought here, and you're going to see me using most of the products quite often now. So that was my haul, and that is all that I bought recently. I hope you have enjoyed my whole video, and in case you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I'm uploading a new video. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.